Hello everyone, this is Zana from cocoadipbeauty, and today I'm going to show you how to make a crochet wig. So I used 3 packs of Jamaican Bounce, 2 in 1B, which is this color, and 1 in 27, because that's what my client wanted. You need a crochet cap, a needle, and a wig head. I use my block head, but you can definitely use styrofoam for this. You need some pins to make sure that your wig cap doesn't move, okay? All right, so here I'm showing you the holes. The front has smaller holes, the side and the back are gonna have bigger holes. So make sure that you are placing it accordingly. What we're not gonna do though is crochet the cap spandex around, because then it will not stretch. Here I am separating 1 curl of the Jamaican Bounce into 3. This makes it easy for me to handle and put through the crochet needle. And it also saves on the amount of hair I use on the wig to make sure that the wig is not bulky. Now that step is completely optional. You can definitely leave the curls intact. All right, here I'm showing you how to pull and loop it through. This is a method that I do in the back because it is the quickest. But later I will show you a different method. So I'm going to show you one more time the method that I use in the back. You see I'm struggling here. So you put it through, pull it through, and then you just double knot it. Very simple, very self-explanatory, and you'll see me do it a couple of times. So if you are a visual learner, then just stay tuned and I will show you one more time. Now, you do not need to pull it that tight. I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know, but don't pull it that tight because then you'll risk actually ripping your cap. And I've done that before, so just be wary of that. All right, so here is a close-up of the knots so you'll see how nice and neat they are. Now, sometimes it does get bulky. That's the reason why I use this method in the back, and I'll show you guys what I do in the front. So here, again, I'm going to show you. I am struggling in this. So you pull it through and then you just loop it twice. And I did this all the way in the back. I usually do it in sections. So I fill in the middle section going up and then I do the sides and then I do the front. Now some people start in the front, but you know, that's just not my style. So one more time. All right. Okay, so I have filled up the middle part. I'm going to show you guys what I do on the sides and towards the front. So here is my curl. Pull it through. Now instead of looping it once, or excuse me, twice, I'm only going to loop it once. So boom. Now I'm going to separate those 2 pieces and then tie it. Ta-da! So that's what I do in the front because the knots are a lot less bulky. Now, I'm sorry, I did not record myself actually shaping this, but I just kind of cut away the frizz. I didn't really cut off a lot of length, except for in the front to make bangs. I really hope you guys will like it. Check the description box for orders if you want one. And make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you guys.